Okay guys, I'm on my way to my graduation right now. We are a bit late as usual. My brother is bringing me and my mom is tagging along.
Yay!
By the way, I was in such a hurry that I forgot to bring nail polish. So my nails look like this right now. So ugly. Okay, my brother dropped us off. We're walking to the entrance. And there is Wendy. She's waiting. I think she's disappointed. Huh?
Thank you so much. Hoi.
Ja, we moeten daarheen.
Aan het vloggen, jongen.
Aan het vloggen, chaos, chaos.
Ja, ik van harte gefeliciteerd met het behalen van je doel. Is er een bepaalde opdracht die je is bijgebleven uit de opleiding waarvan je zegt, daar heb ik echt veel geleerd of dat vond ik heel erg leuk?
Geen specifieke opdracht, maar ik weet nog wel dat de lijkenpractica mij echt zijn bijgebleven.
Snijzaal.
Ja, dat vond ik echt heel tof. Ja.
Wat vond je daar zo tof aan?
Nou, gewoon dat je daar dan komt en dan heb je eigenlijk nog nooit echt een lijk gezien. En dan ligt het lichaam daar gewoon open voor je en dan kun je dus een handschoentje aantrekken. En het echt aanraken, ik vond dat echt wel heel gaaf.
Heel leerzaam denk ik ook.
Ja, dat ook.
Ja. Heb je de klinische mager dan ook gedaan of was het in je eerste jaar?
Voor mij was de practica in mijn eerste jaar. Ja.
Het was de eerste kennismaking?
Ja.
Nee. En wat doe je nu?
Ik hoop eigenlijk vandaag of morgen te horen of ik ook af ben gestudeerd voor de bachelor psychologie. En dan ga ik morgen op reis en volgend jaar hopelijk de master klinische psychologie.
Oké, dan ga je die combineren eigenlijk.
Ja, dat was even een andere bachelor bij.
Ja, ja. Oh. Heel erg mooi. Zo, dit is een dubbele bachelor, ja. Alsof het niks is. Nou, van harte gefeliciteerd. Ik hoop ook met je andere bachelor dan, als je het hoort. En een hele fijne dag nog.
Dankjewel.
Nee, smile.
Ach, daar is tekenen.
Oh.
Pretty girl.
Het maakt jou niet extra blij? Oké, top, super. Wat neem je mee uit je opleiding?
Dat je betere cijfers had. Oké.
Graduated my first bachelor. Thank you for the support, Wendy. Thank you. And the flowers.
Ook al ga je morgen weg, maar hè.
She got me flowers.
Als je volgend jaar terugkomt, deze zijn nog levend. Dus je moet volgend jaar terugkomen.
Oké, is goed. Is goed. He's tired of me taking all the pictures.
500 foto's gemaakt.
Hij denkt, vrouwen.
Is too much.
Patty is coming to say goodbye and giving me one of his business cards.
Yeah.
Hello. Okay, so I just got home and I am so happy with my flowers. These are the ones I got from Wendy. And these are the ones I got from my other friend. Oh my god. I did not know he would bring me flowers. That is so incredibly sweet. Oh my god. I honestly love all of my friends to death. Like, I appreciate them so much. And I have my Bachelor's of Science now. The first one. I'm hoping to get good news today or tomorrow that I graduated my second one as well. And now I'm going to unpack. I'm going to eat something because I'm so hungry. And then I'm going to unpack. It's already wet. They put it in the bag with the water for the flowers. Look at the flowers. Doing some last shoppings for our food.
The only thing that's important.
Wine.
Extra vàng đấy. Anh bóc vặn.
Hey, doe rustig. Okay guys, we just got back from the store and now we are helping my mom to make a Vietnamese dish for tonight for my farewell dinner. We are going to make white one. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. So Wendy is
Cutting the cucumbers. It looks ugly as fuck. Can someone please teach me how to cut it? Because
no, I think you did good.
no, because it's supposed to be thinner. I'm like spitting everywhere.
I am making nuk mam. That is garlic, sugar, and pepper. I'm just crushing it, and then I'm adding water, fish sauce, and lemon.
I have to put it in this glass because I don't want to bother your mom.
Oh, okay.
Mom's like,
There's my mom. Wendy, the bartender.
do you even like red wine? I don't think so.
It's okay. There always goes so much preparation in making this, so we don't eat it often. We only eat it when it's like a special occasion. Look at all the ingredients. This is what goes in the sauce.
Mà không phải là tôi thái như này.
So Wendy actually doesn't speak Vietnamese, but my mom just keeps talking to her in Vietnamese.
Không biết. Come on.
She's learning. She's learning. Yeah. Okay, dinner is ready. So this is how the table looks like. We just have all the ingredients on the table. Here we have some veggies, apple, cucumber, egg. That's vegetarian. And this is pork, an egg. And then you just roll it. Okay, mom is going to show you guys how to roll a white cuốn. Cho mọi người trên YouTube xem mẹ.
Có được rồi mà đừng có cho người ta nhìn đâu ăn kỹ lắm.
Không. Để người ta xem người Việt Nam ăn như nào.
Hốt. Không ơi, Hoàng Anh tại cái này đang rơi ra này.
Tí nữa mẹ làm lại nhá.
Thôi đừng có cuốn cái này nó, cái này đang rơi con.
Where is everybody?
Everybody's late. Like you. Like you.
Maar je ziet wel van die pixels, dus ik weet niet of je dat ziet als je een foto
Ik
maakt.
denk dat je hem gewoon even... Nee, als je foto maakt niet. Maak maar ook.
Wendy with camera. Oh. We are complete. Now we're going to eat. Okay, just finished my dinner. Said goodbye to Linda. Told her see you next year, which is still super weird. And now I'm going to pack my stuff while Wendy's just going to chill in bed. The status. It's not much better than yesterday.